I already started making it because my camera just turned off. So, yeah. So I just put the purple in. I'm gonna put some more purple because it's obviously already all blue. So you wanna mix. This color is cute too. I wanna put. Oh, this is called Bubble Bath, guys. You can get this from. I got mine from I don't know. I forget where I got this from. No, my best friend bought it for my birthday. Until later, if you watching this, yeah. So hold on. Alright. Add a little bit at a time. So it's gonna start coming together. And if you have any extract like this, you could just take it by itself and start kneading it. But I'd rather throw it away. I don't like that part. So you start kneading it, and it should start coming together like this. If your stuff don't come together like this and it be all sticky, that means you didn't add enough activator. So yeah. So knead it. And start playing with it until it comes all together. And I'm dipping my face to some purple because it obviously didn't turn out the way I thought it would be. So I'm just gonna add purple into it. So yeah. Now keep kneading it until that, so it comes like this. And there you have it. I don't know what to call this. Guys, please tell me a name for this slime. Well, I wouldn't throw it away. Yeah, I'm gonna throw this away. Ugh. Alright, so there you go. There's your slime tutorial. This sloppy butt, I know. But yeah. See y'all. Bye, guys.